Alright, so let's take a look at this family and see how it's built. So if I tab select in and go to edit, it's not super difficult. If I go to shaded, most of it is actually resident in this. There's only one nested component, which is this generic model. But the rest of it is basically like this is a sweep, right, that runs around that's controlled. There's 4 adaptive points with reference lines. There's a hosted profile on here that gets swept around, and I dimensioned it so you can control the size. And then if I hide all of these nested guys real quick, then basically what we have, oh, the panel is really long. Let me change that to like 405, I think is what it worked out in here. And so basically what you have, let me go ahead and join these guys. Sorry, I'm having join that and that. There we go. And then the same thing happens here. There's a frame inset in here. This is another sweep along here. And this frame is actually, if I go in and I'm going to make a new type, I'll call it working. The frame is actually set on a couple of points that are hosted on the line that allows me to rotate this. So if I go 60 degrees and hit apply, right, it'll pop that out 60 degrees. And what's happening is, let me hide the category. What's happening is there's a point hosted here that's offset by about 25 millimeters. We can probably adjust that for the size of the frame, or the tube size. And then this is also offset, right? So if I pick this, it's offset by point offset rotate, which is, I think, the tube size plus 2 millimeters. And then what I do is I host a point on this line and then host a line on that point, and then I can actually host an angle rotation onto there, and I can do it on the other side as well. So I just make a rotatable rig, and then make a sweep around here, make another line in the middle with an offset line that I can put those nested things on. So I'll go through and sort of start the process with making the 2-point nested component, and then I'll come in and create the frame, or I might do it the other way around. I don't know.